Good morning. It is a nice, cloudy, crisp morning. Don't need a long sleeve shirt on. I just walked Sammy and then I put her back in there so I could sit down here and do this part of this video. And she says, I ain't having it. I want to come outside. Well, the reason I put her up is because I'm going to go put the van in the shed. You can come outside. All right. Yeah, today's travel day, so I am picking up everything that I have laying around here. Yeah, I've kind of sprawled out since I've been here for, 2 weeks? No, not 2 weeks, 10 days or so. Yeah. So I'm going to put up my van, then put up my kayak, and put up my tools, my rakes, and all that I've been using. And I've already done quite a bit this morning, so I'm almost ready to roll. And, the other day, I forgot to go get my mail. So I am going to go get it today before I leave because I have a couple of packages. Yippee! Got a couple of packages there, so I am going to go this morning before I leave leave the area and go get my packages and then get on the road. I only have like an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe to drive. So I'm not in any hurry, but I'm ready to get on the road. Yeah. It's hard to sit for when you're used to moving. I don't know. I don't know that I could ever have well, I do have a sticks and bricks. Well, it's not brick. But I'm just always ready to go. Once I get somewhere, I'm ready to go somewhere else. So anyway, that's the fun part of this lifestyle is when you're ready to roll, you just go. You just turn the key and roll. So that's what we're doing today, huh, Sam? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Let's get done. Oh, she's like, pet me, pet me. Let's get everything put up so we can get on the road. And we're off. Hi, Sammy. She says, yeah, she just don't like to travel anymore. She just shakes. She just shakes. All right. We are on the road. Gotta remember post office before I make the wrong turn. Yeah. Whew. Out of breath. I got everything put up, secured. I went ahead and disconnected the battery for the van. You never know what I'll get into. So I don't want to ever leave it and not disconnect it because, yeah, I might have change of plans in the middle of my plans. So, which is okay. All right. It's going to be a nice drive, cloudy. I will have electricity, so I will be able to run my air conditioner when it's hot today. Yay. Looking forward to that. All right. You lay down? Okay. I'm in Aldi's again. There's one in Brownwood, and then there's one in Abilene. So I'm gonna do some shopping here instead of Walmart. All right, this is my very small Aldi's grocery haul. I got me some oats and honey granola bars. I ate my last one this morning. So needed those. Got some risotto, mushroom risotto, which I'm going to make with this. I got some Black Angus country style ribs. I'm going to throw these in the crock pot tomorrow because I have electricity. So I'm going to throw those in the crock pot tomorrow. I'm going to take them out of the package right now because this won't fit in my refrigerator. Some more mangoes. And I love their pumpkin seeds. It's not very many. But I love their pumpkin seeds too. And another sack of the sweet potato chips. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator in a couple of baggies and put it in the refrigerator, and then I'll cook that tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna run into Walmart, not for food, but for worms. Yeah, I'm gonna be here for 2 days, so I'm definitely gonna get some fishing in, and I'm gonna get me some worms and maybe some weenies. I know I have some Jell-O, and I mix the Jell-O and the weenies together, and it makes the weenies kind of rubbery, and so they stay on the hook easier. And I don't know if it matters what kind of Jell-O, but I think I have strawberry Jell-O, so I think they like strawberry. But so I'm gonna run into, there's United, but I bet they don't carry worms, so I'm gonna go on to Walmart, get some worms. Interesting tool box or tackle box. All right. I don't think I need any more. Oh no, I think I'm gonna get weenies. Be cheaper. I'm gonna make a ham sandwich. Oops. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I got a ham and cheese with tomatoes and avocado sandwich. Some chips, salsa, and jalapenos. All right, let's eat. Look at that house. Sammy says, too much for me. We're here, Sammy. We're here. She says, yay. What are you so intensely looking at? She says, are they going to give me a treat? What? No, I don't have one. I don't have one.
Are you familiar with our park, ma'am?
Yes.
Would you like to take some maps with you anyways, or?
No, I think I'm good.
Okay, well, I'll put the gate code on the back. This top code is good for tonight, but tomorrow's going to roll over and be this other code, okay?
Okay.
And you're good in this site till Friday, 12 o'clock be checkout time.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Oh, doke. We're checked in. So I am going to check my geocaching app because I know C-Dubs and I have done, well, at the time, we did all the geocaches in this park, which took us almost all day to do one of the trails. So I am going to see if there's any new geocaches. If there is, then I will see about going and getting those too while we're here. Hi, Sam. She says, yes, let's go on a trail hike. Let's go on a trail hike. I'm going to dump my tanks first thing. I could do dishes and a shower while I'm here, and then before I leave, dump again. Because where I'm headed next does not have a dump station. No, it doesn't. All right. So you're gonna have to wait just a little bit longer. So there's the fishing pier. I plan on going over there this afternoon later or in the evening. Oh wow, I could probably fish right here. It is. Lake is up. I don't know if this lake is constant level or not. I couldn't fish in this. It's too mossy. But that's a great place to fish over there on that fishing pier. Caught some good crappie and a huge catfish from there. So we'll go over there later. That'll be in tomorrow's video because I am gonna go work on this video and get it uploaded and scheduled. So I'll see y'all in the next video.